easy Java class. In my first video, we learned about the string class in Java. Here I am uploading some string functions available on Java. First, we are going to study some simple string functions. This will help you to learn the implementation of string functions easily. Come, let's have a look.
Let's start with our new function, toLowercase. This function converts a given string into lowercase characters. If any character is already in lowercase or is a special character, then it will remain same. Lowercase means converts into small letters. Then what's the syntax of this function? See, first we will write the string name dot toLowercase with a function bracket, then put the semicolon. When we use this function, we should take care about the cases of these letters, that means function name letters. We should write first TO2 in small letter, the first letter of lower in L in capital, and the case C is also write in capital. You should take care about the cases of these letters because Java is case sensitive. But don't use blank spaces in between the function name when you are writing the function name. Okay. Let's see the example. In that example, we mentioned a string value as computer. First we will write the string data type, then write the string variable name, then put the equal of symbol. Then within double quotes, we can write the string value. After that, close that double inverted comma, then put a semicolon. After that, if you want to convert into small letter, you should use toLowercase function. How to use? First you write the string name A here dot toLowercase with a bracket without no arguments. Then put the semicolon also. Then you will get an output as computer in small letter, full in small letter. Okay. Then just remember that Java is case sensitive. And what's the use of this toLowercase function? This function is used to convert all the characters of a string into lowercase. Okay. Let's start our new function, toUppercase function. This function is opposite to the toLowercase function. It is used to convert a string into uppercase characters. If any character is already in uppercase or is a special character, then it will remain the same. Uppercase means converts into capital letters. Then what's the syntax of that function? See, first you write the string name dot toUppercase. When we use this function, we should take care about the cases of the letter. We should write 2 in small letter and the first letter of upper U in capital and the first letter of case C in capital. After that put one function bracket, then close that bracket. After that put the semicolon. Because Java is case sensitive, we should take care about the cases of these letters. But you don't use the blank spaces in between the function name, toUppercase name. Let's see the example. Here we can see the example string value A equal to computer. First we will write the data type, then write the variable name, then put the equal symbol. Within double inverted comma you write the value. Here I had given computer in small letter. Okay, after that put one semicolon also. Then how can you convert into or how can you use this function? First you write the function name dot toUppercase, then with a bracket without no arguments, then put the semicolon. Then you will get an output computer in capital letter. Understood the meaning of this function? Just here also just remember that Java is case sensitive, and what is the use of this one? To uppercase function is used to convert the letters into full letters into capital. Next is replace function. What's the use of this function? This function is used to replace a character by another character or to replace a string by another string at all its occurrences in the given string. First form is replaces character with another character. That means it will replace new old character with a new character. This function is used to replace one character with another character. Let's see the syntax. First we will write the string name dot replace, and within bracket we will write the first character with a single inverted comma, write the old new character with a single inverted comma, then close the bracket, put the semicolon. Then we will just see the example also. In the string A, we will give the value as computer with a double inverted comma. After that, put the semicolon. Then how can you use this function? First you write the string name dot replace with the bracket. First you write the first character. Here we have given M as the first old character. We want to replace that character. Then put the comma with a single inverted comma, give the new character. Here we had given N. Okay, close the bracket, then put the semicolon. Then you will get an output as CONPUTER. That means M replaced with the N. Then this is the first format of replace function. Characters replaced. Okay. Let's learn the another format of replace function. Replace function with the two string arguments. Replace, what's the use of this function? This function is used to replace a sequence of characters by another sequence of characters at all its occurrences in the string. That means this function is used to replace one word with another word. What's the format of this one? First we will write the string name dot replace, then within bracket, within double inverted comma you write the old word. Put close that double inverted comma, then put the comma. After that within double inverted comma write the new word, close the bracket, put one semicolon. Then we can check with we can learn it with a simple example. Let's see the example. First we will write the string data type, then write the string variable name equal to, with the double inverted comma write the sentence or which value you want to give. Here we had given black cat and black bat, and we want to replace this black with white. How can you do this one? Using the replace function with the two string arguments. Then we want to store this one into a string variable, because output is a string value. Then here we had given like this, string p is equal to a dot replace with bracket with a double inverted comma, first word black, then close the double inverted comma, within double inverted comma write the white, that means new word, close the bracket and double inverted comma, put the semicolon. Then you will get an output as white cat and white rat. That means all the occurrences of that word black into white, that word replaced with the new word. Then these are the two formats of replace function. First we check the with the two character argument, and here we check with the two string arguments. Okay. Next is trim function. What's the use of this function? This function is used to remove leading and trailing blanks from a string. The other blanks which are available in between the words will remain unchanged. That means it removes all the white and black spaces from the beginning as well as the end of a string. But it will not remove the spaces in between the strings. Only remove the first and last spaces. Okay. What's the format of this one? First you write the string name dot trim function name, then put the bracket without arguments. There is no arguments. Then close the bracket. After that write the semicolon. Terminate with the semicolon. Okay. Let's see the example. First, we will write the value A as Java programming. Into that string variable, the value is Java programming. In this example, we can see that string contains Java programming with a leading and trailing blanks. And with the help of this table, I displayed one table also. With the index number, we know that all the index numbers in string functions will start from 0. Then with the help of that table, I represented the index numbers also. That characters index numbers also. And the 0 and 1 first and second position, it represents blank spaces. After that, Java starts. That means 2 blank spaces before that sentence we have here. And 7th position also a blank space, but that is in between the word. That will not remove. After that, you just listen. In the last also we have a blank space in the 19th position. Okay. Then if you use this function, what will happen? Just let's see. After using trim function on string S, the blanks are truncated. Hence, the resulting string in P will appear without any leading and trailing blanks. That means without any blank spaces before and after, we will get that output. That means Java programming. But the in between there is a space that also will remain. But after and first and last, you don't have any blank spaces. Okay, that is the use of this function.